Welcome back to the Forest Kitchen. Today, we're keeping it simple. Straight from the stream to the fire, charcoal grilled salmon.
Now to build a wilderness grill rack from River Cane. Look at that. Fish needs a friend. Time for a rustic flatbread. We'll let that dough rest. Give it a little nap. While that sleeps, a quick salad from the woods. In they go. A little wild goat's cheese for a salty kick. And our salad is ready. Simple and fresh. Let's check the dough. Ah, look at that. Risen perfectly. Just the yolk for a rich golden crust. And a sprinkle of wild seeds for a little pepper. All right, into the clay oven. Won't take long in that heat. Now, a quick basting oil for our salmon. This will keep it moist and get that skin extra crispy. Let's see our bread. Beautiful. Time to bring it all together. Looks delicious.
Thanks for joining me, folks. Let me know in the comments what I should cook up next. Until next time, stay wild and stay hungry. Bigfoot